Welcome to House of Bell, and for today's video we're going to have a very good topic, and this is all about the proper care and maintenance for veneers. And I think that this topic is very important and necessary because so many of my friends who never had a veneers keep on asking me what if they have a veneers, and do you think it's going to be difficult for them to maintain this expensive teeth? Maybe they think that it is also a high maintenance. So I am here at House of Bell having my drinks with me, and I really wanted to talk things out, especially with my friends during a coffee break or a coffee time. By the way, veneers is not as high maintenance as you think it is, because veneers is just like our own teeth. We should remember that veneers is coated in our original teeth, and veneers is not as delicate as you think it is. If I continue to drink coffee, would it be hard for them to have a veneers? I don't think so, because I love coffee, I love tea time, and I have cakes, I have coffee all the time, maybe 2 or 3 times a day, I guess. I don't have that stain on my teeth, and as you can see, I have this great veneers, and it doesn't stain at all, especially the porcelain veneers. Maybe the composite veneers can have a slight difference in shades, because composite is very susceptible to a little bit of staining. But the porcelain veneers on top of my teeth is really good in terms of fighting stains, and it's also in the proper care. Whether you have an original teeth or a veneers, if you don't take good care of your veneers, then you will always have that stain that keeps on irritating, especially for those who are a coffee lover or a tea lover. For my maintenance, I always have a great toothpaste that can protect my teeth or my veneers from staining. The brand is Colgate, and this is it. I've been using this since I had my veneers, and it takes away the stain even though I drink a lot of coffee. So this is how it looks. When you have this toothpaste, you will have no regrets on brushing it as many times as you can, especially after every meals. The other one that I've been using after brushing my teeth is the floss. You have to floss your teeth, and flossing is very difficult for some. Flossing in between your teeth can also whiten up your teeth. So you have to floss maybe like twice a day. It's enough. It's a medical guard. And after that, when you have floss, when you have brush your teeth, many people who are grinding at night, when you say grinding, it's like you're biting your own teeth, like, and you are like destroying the enamel of your teeth, especially for people who has veneers. And you have to, when you are grinding and you are destroying your teeth, then even the veneers is very strong, and it can damage your veneers. This mouth guard is not as expensive as you think. This is only 5,000, and I got 2 of this, and for 5,000 pesos, it's like $100 for a mouth guard. So, but you can use this for long. So this is the new mouth guard that I have. This one I can show it to you, because this is a very new mouth guard that I have. It looks like this, right? And you have to like put it like this, and then you can just bite it, and then you can sleep with it at night. And it's really wonderful if you have a mouth guard. At the beginning, I don't like wearing it, but once you get used to the mouth guard, it feels like it's part of you, and you're gonna like it in the long run and in continuous use of this. So that's all I've been using. And the other thing that I cannot show you is it, because it's in the bathroom right now, I also have the Listerine with me all the time, even when I go out. A mouthwash is very crucial when you have a Veneers. So just keep on having your coffee. And by the way, guys, when you have a coffee, always have a straw. Even you drink on the cup, because it also helps you not stink too much. So I always still drink it with a straw. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you learned something about the Veneers. And once you're watching my YouTube channel, it's better to have your tea or coffee with me. So it's like we are just talking together. So see you guys. Hope you have a great time. Bye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. And hit that notification bell so you can follow me.